This 2023 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22 RBE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 2, air conditioning, refrigerator, skylight, smoke detector, slide-out, water heater, TV antenna, LP detector, microwave, leveling jacks. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.